We are sharing one of our research findings that has been presented in EGU. The Meteorological Society will know what EGU is, so no need to define. So in our research findings, we talk about developing a supervised machine learning techniques to predict and assess tropical cyclones for the Bay of Bengal and coming towards Bangladesh. So very basically we show that obviously we need to know the geography and tropical conditions for weather systems and climate systems in Bangladesh, as well as how these tropical cyclones impacts not only the casualties but also costing a lot of huge money for the disasters areas. Obviously there are so many researches going on to understand by sea surface temperature or applying the teleconnections like ENSO, or obviously there are also several applications of neural networks or fuzzy logic, or taking the data assimilations into forecasting the tropical cyclone systems. But we are going to show you that how we are utilizing the station datasets from the southeast region and southwest region in order to understand the temperature variability in the Bay of Bengal and try to assess based on the station datasets to understand sea surface temperature, to which will help us to understand if there is any tropical cyclone formation or not. So that is how we are trying to develop a machine learning model based on the climate data sets. So you see, as there are like in the station data sets, we can easily access a minimum temperature or a maximum temperature, and then for the longer period we take these data sets, fit into the training models, and then assess the model for eventually predicting the tropical cyclones. The results, first of all, includes the data pre-process and the performance from there, how it is correlated from the sea surface temperature to the Bay of Bengal's stations, nearby stations. And then we see that how model performances are actually well trained for predicting predicting sea surface temperature to understand and assess if there is any tropical cyclone formation. So obviously it is trained with a simple algorithm which is decision tree, and the results are as follows. The performance so far is quite acceptable, but we obviously have to go with the model robustness, maybe increase more in the future and incorporate more data sets to understand the patterns for understanding any future indications. Thank you.